This one is going to be funny. So somehow I've got to replace this tap in that gap. This is my current position and it's very uncomfortable. Every time I needed this plumbing tip to work, it would be now. Plumbers, problem solvers. We've got a problem, let's solve it. Where is the last cross-threaded, all that, and they've absolutely stripped the nut. It's 5 o'clock on a Friday. Great. I'm going to have to just bodge it for now and come back with the part. That part's obsolete now. So welcome back, YouTube. We've got a right treat for you this week. We've got some more awkward plumbing. These jobs really do know how to find me. So we've got some very awkward bathtubs to go try and get them out and sort out a situation when the customer completely changes the mind of what they want. Then we've got a Worcester that's been bodged in the past, but we end up bodging it again. So who's the real bodger? I'll let you decide on that one. There is a fine line between genius and madness. I think I proved that in both of the jobs. Now, this is the 10k giveaway video. Now, I have said a couple of times before, I'm going to give away a Velocity Rogue 9.0 service bag. So in this video, you can enter that. I'll let you know the details. First of all, thank you very much for your support. Really, really appreciate it. Video helps you out. Give it a like. Got any questions, drop a comment. I'll do my best to answer them. Make sure you've subscribed. And yeah, let's take a look at this week's work. This one's going to be funny. So somehow I've got to replace this tap in that gap. I'm not looking forward to this one. Somehow we've got to get in there, undo it all, get a new one in. The thing is, like, my arms ain't the longest, so... But I have got the tap actually. You've probably seen me use it loads of times before on this channel, so I'm going to try that, try and get in there. Something's got to be done because it's got to be replaced. It's just I'm the unlucky one to try and do it. This tap, they could have put it there, even there. There would have been great. Why there? Could have been there, but what a nightmare. Now I am used to plumbing challenges, but I don't know why, but these jobs just seem to follow me. They really do. I think, I don't know. I just think like any job that's like remotely hard, people just found me. I've had cast iron salt stacks that go into asbestos and copper. I've had bathtaps on the opposite side of the bath, waste on the opposite side of the bath, and now bathtub right in the bloody corner. Suppose it gives you some good content now, don't it? Just about managed to get the hot off. You can see it was right against the wall. I have no idea how I'm going to get to that cold. Just about managed to get them off. I have no idea. I'm going to reconnect onto him, but it's off. I've got to get to that back and up there. Just there. It's just so tight. Hopefully I can get in with this. That's what I like about the kit though. No matter how I put it away, the bits just end up flying all over the place. This is my current position and it's very uncomfortable. But let me show you, I've got onto it. I have got onto it. That's the best camera work I can do. Because I can't get it in, I've got no gap to get the camera in. But I can get it out. We did it. That was tough, but now the back is actually stuck because the plate will come off. Result. I've no idea I'm going to get a new one in, but the old one's out. Alright, time to get the new tap in. So I've got it all connected up, but if you haven't seen this plumbing tip before, basically what you should be able to do is feed the tap through there with the plate on. Now, if there was ever a time I needed this plumbing tip to work, it would be now. So, fed the flexes down, what you should be able to do now is angle it like that. Down, up, round, wash. I mean, yeah. How about that? Now struggling underneath. Well happy with that. I'm happy that it's going to be like that, but at least now I can get onto me. Yeah, that's it. Happy days. All the guy did now is get underneath for tightening up, eh? No. If you notice, the old one had a shower attachment, right? The one that I've got, it says in the instructions that it's supposed to have one, see? Got a little knob on it. There you go, one, has it? There you go, shower attachment. Spoke to customers, I said, do you need the shower attachment? He's like, yes, the girls use it, so I need one with a shower head. So I'm like, okay, no problem. Take that out and cry, I suppose. Oh, we can sort this. Look, plumbers, problem solvers. We've got a problem, let's solve it. Look at that hole, look, that was my only hope, to be honest with you. What's that? It's just gonna fall straight through. Think, man, what can I do here? Stopper is in. I don't know if you can see it from here, but it's plastic trim around it just to make up the gaps. There's a lot of silicone underneath, a lot of silicone on top, nuts on. That is off the top ad washer. There you go, problem solved. That's the best I can do. That is the best I can do with what I've got and what I can get hold of. So what do we think? It'll work because the silicone underneath, silicone on the top, in between the two seals. Once it's gone off, it'll be rock solid. That'll be fine. That's the best I could come up with. If you know a better way, let me know, but I'm well happy with that. Right, now we've overcome that problem. Just got to drill some new holes now. So that's the centre, right there. And all I've done is measured the centres from the tap, put them on, and just lined up where I want to drill. Just going to drill through now. Right, so I've drilled the holes, bath taps in, nice and easy, laying through. So I'm all in position now, and just got to get underneath and somehow get something onto there now. Just going to get some push fit flexes because I'm not going to get in there with some more. So I'm hoping to get in there with a cutter, cut them off and just bang them on. Quite so what I'm doing here. I cannot see a bloody thing. That's gonna. I'll have to cut that right down. That's all cut down. I could have put that one down or not. Probably fucking not normal, look. That's all. High flexes. That's got me out of the jam. Water's back on, no leaks, the nightmare's over. No, so I've had my hair and beard done as well, because I booked that. I think, last time after this job, it's took forever. Yeah, this is the finished result. Oh, it looks loads better. It does. Some pressure on that. Give that a nice tidy up and yeah. What do you think of that now? Oh, not too bad. For what I was given, you know what I mean? Sometimes as plumbers you gotta be problem solvers, and to be fair, that's one problem all solved. This next one was a very fun job as well, when the customer tried to replace their own radiator valve and then not pulling out the pipe. So what we've done, took the radiator valve off and somehow got to get back onto that pipe, which, yeah, it ain't going to be very easy. What I'm thinking is that little sliver of tile, I'm going to cut that out and see if we can get onto the back, cut the pipe and get onto it somehow. So we managed to get the tile off in one piece, because I'm hoping we can put it back as well. And you won't even notice we've been, hopefully. So the pipe was damaged as well, so we have to give it a really good pull just to get in there, get a cut on it. Then we're going to use some speed fit because it's right in the wall. Yeah, I'm not going to risk soldering in there. So straight and an elbow, and that should kick it out now so we can get a new piece of piping. Did I mention it was an open system? So yeah, it did take forever to fill back up, but new bit of piping there. We're going to hopefully get that tile in. So we've cut it down two sides because that elbow's pushing it down a little bit. Yeah, that don't look too bad. I suppose if you get some beige grout on there, hopefully you won't even know what's been. So the customer did actually isolate it from the tank in the loft, so we're going to open that up, have a little peek in the tank, see what the water system water's like. Not the best. We're just going to go around, bleed the system, get it all filled back up and make sure we've got no leaks, which everything looked okay. And so it did take about an hour to fill back this up. Then we're just going to put the tile back in. So I'll just give a bit of a push on that, bit of adhesive, and there we go. Like I said, maybe a bit of beige grate in there. For what I was given, I don't think that looks too bad at all. Just show you some of the circumstances I get through. So took the trap out. Notice the PTFE. Alright. Notice the cable ties on the end of the pipe. It's because they were obviously last cross-threaded, all that, and they've absolutely stripped the nut. So what I've done is they've bodged it with silicone, held it in place with the cable ties just to stop it from leaking. But what am I supposed to do now? It's 5 o'clock on a Friday. Great. I'm going to have to just bodge it for now and come back with the parts. So we're back at this one. This is the one that was bodged together with the condensate. Yeah, a few classic symptoms that someone's been working on the board. Don't know what they're doing. External expansion on here, which is very easy to do, and PRV like that. That's just ridiculous. Really is. But let me show you the inside here. This is what we've got to do. We've got to replace the trunk slug. It's full of silicon. You know why? Because I had to silicon it after the last visit. Absolute bodge. So yeah, let's get this off and I'll show you. It's not even the right fibre washer, but yeah, I should have bodged it with silicon. Because that nut there has no thread left on it at all. It's just blobbed full of silicon. The only problem is that part's obsolete now. However, we did find someone that had one in stock, so happy days, we can get it all replaced. I'm just going to cut this out now and get a new one in. I'll have to cut it at the back as well now. Yeah, better look at that. You can see there's absolutely no thread left at all. They've cross-threaded it, haven't they? Stripped the thread and just linked it, not bother telling the customer till I've come to service it for the first time. So let's get rid of this cable tie, get a new parts in. Yeah, when I first came out to this one, there were even no screws in the top. The case wall fitted properly. I had to do full strip down clean. I've got it had one. Apparently it's been looked after by the same engineer for years. It's fitted external expansion vessel, PRV external, bodged the trap. It's unfortunate because it's only when you come round and you explain to the customer what's been happening, they ain't got a clue. It's, you know, they pay good money to let people in and do substandard work. I've probably been a bit harsh on the last engineer, but I'm sorry, but you'd all just bodge apart and not tell the customer. I mean, I had to bodge it because obviously I'd left them with no heating, no hot water until I come back. But yeah, it's just, I hate it when customers have been paying years and years for service, then I show up and I feel like the bad guy saying, well, you know what, it's been done properly. It needs this amount of work doing. It's just, yeah, it's one of them though, mate. You just gotta do what you can. Yeah, new trap, and that's the part that's was the same obviously, but I found someone out of the in stock, so happy days, very lucky. I cut on my thumb. That's from another Worcester. If you do a Worcester without cutting yourself, you're a genius, because they always cut me. Should wear my gloves, but yeah, just gonna get that in and redo the condensate connection. That's all in there. Just put a bit of new condensate pipe work in there. That's all sorted, tightened up, job done. Now, when I was here, I did notice, you can see the corrosion. Then that's that. Yeah, I said, while I'm here, I'll get that replaced. Because that's just a breakdown waiting to happen. So, oh my God. Gotta try and get them spray bits off. Old ones there. What happened was, I left the spray connect one. Because sometimes the leads have dropped below into there. If you leave spray connect one, you can at least fish that bit out, but I'll go fishing for the rubber. You can see the damage and corrosion on that. That was an accident waiting to happen, so get a brand new one in for him. Spray connect on and just struggle. You just gotta struggle with these because they're not nice to get back on. Most of the time you push it and it goes straight away through. But yeah, just gotta struggle now to get that in. It's a very, very tight fit. We got there, so that's all. Let's put this sun plate back on and let's prime the trap, get some water in the trap. So to test the trap, all we did was take that off and fill it up through there with the cartridge. Now there's a yellow end on the hose, just take that off and it comes like a stream. So if you haven't got one of them, honestly, it pays for itself. On strip down services, situations like that, them are brilliant. Click the link in the description. Them pretty good on price at the moment from what I recall. You can get them for about £110. Normally about 130, 140, so well worth having. But yeah, just gonna put this all back together now, give it a test and see how we get on. Yeah, it's all good. Right. Getting chimney sweep, just hold down that button until the clouds red and too high and low. I've already done fan pressure. When I did a full strip down it was fine. So just a combustion reading, make sure it's all good. There we go, a little bit of everything this week. We've got some repairs, we've got some breakdowns, we've got some plumbing, we've got some bodges, and we've got some thinking outside the box. So I hope you enjoyed it. Now, before I get on to the giveaway, just a very quick one. I need your help on this one. I'm actually doing some charity work at the moment. I'm going to be running what's called a Tough Mudder. Now, if you don't know what one of these am, then basically 15 kilometres of hell. So it's 15 kilometre track, but there's all obstacles in between, from like ice cold plunge pits to crawling through tear gas, obstacles, 40-foot wall to climb up and over. It's going to be tough. Now, the reason I'm doing this is for a lad named Nathan. Now, Nathan's a plumber, just like me and you, but he got probably the worst news that you can get. He's got blood cancer, and he's got 2 young kids at home. So when I heard he got this, I thought, you know what, let's try and help him out a little bit. So I've got a Just Giving page. All I'm asking for is like the price of a cup of coffee. And enough people do that, it'd make a real difference to the lad's life, hopefully. So I've put the link to that in the description. I really appreciate your support on that one. And 10k giveaway. You've probably seen it before. I'll link the video. I have done a review video on the Velocity Rogue 9.0 service bag. It's the one that I use. I've had it a couple of years now and I really like it. So for your chance to win the 10k giveaway, all you need to do is in your comment is include the word plumbing in there somewhere. Anywhere you want, get plumbing in your comment. And what I'll do a random comment picker in a week or two, and someone's going to win a Velocity Rogue 9.0 service bag. Now, you do have to live within the UK, mainland UK. Sorry to everyone in Northern Ireland, but it's just the parcel and packaging on these. Yeah, it wouldn't take us across the sea. It cost me a fortune. So, unfortunately, it is just mainland UK that can enter. So, I wish you all the best with that one. And I will do another giveaway at 20k. So, I'm going to do another one. Hopefully, I can get some stuff together for that. So, yeah, let's see how we get on. Hopefully, that'll be towards the new year. We'll see how we do. Thank you all very much for your support, as always. I really, really appreciate it. Very excited to do a 10k giveaway for you lot. And I'll catch you on the next one.